How to change payment method on PrizePicks. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our payment method on PrizePicks. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To change your payments method on PrizePicks, what we're going to do is, first of all, we will simply launch our browser and go to prizepicks.com. Here, one of the help article from PrizePicks on how you can actually remove or replace a payment method associated with your PrizePicks account. They mentioned that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. And to do that, you just want to log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner. Once you are on the page, you should be able to see a trash can icon. Click on the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. And you may only request a remove payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal and Venmo accounts may not be removed. So I hope this video helped you understand as to what you can do to change your payment method on PrizePicks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.